Ready to experience Brawl Stars like never before, with unreleased brawlers, game-breaking bugs, and limitless gems? Let's dive into the world of Brawl Stars dev builds, if it's even possible. First, head over to your favorite search engine and type in Brawl Stars dev build download. You'll likely see tons of websites promising you access. Be extremely careful here. Many of these sites are fake and could contain viruses or malware. Never download anything from a source you don't completely trust. The truth is, official Brawl Stars dev builds are almost never publicly available. They're primarily used internally by Supercell for testing and development purposes. Gaining access requires being an employee, a trusted partner, or a selected beta tester, which is highly exclusive. So, while the idea of playing a dev build is exciting, it's generally not possible for the average player. Your best bet is to enjoy the regular version of Brawl Stars and stay tuned for official updates and sneak peeks. Focus on mastering the current brawlers, climbing the leaderboards, and enjoying the game as it is. Who knows, maybe one day you'll be lucky enough to test future updates.